I came here because I was really interested about the program of the faculty, and also headmaster had a presentation back in Greece in my faculty, and I really liked it. And also I saw Slovenia in Google, and I really like to meet this country, to explore this country. Okay, Slovenian people are really kind, and also they really can help you a lot when you are a foreigner person. And Slovenia, like a country, it's not so big, so you have the time to explore it, and it's really beautiful. The countryside, it's really nice. Actually, the coast that I live and the villages near around the coast are really similar to the countryside of Greece, and the sun, at least in Copper that I saw, it's really similar to Greece. But in general, I think we have a lot of common ethics, like countries, and common in our kitchens are similar too. Okay, a bit with students in the dormitory. Okay, I am older than them, but they are really wild youth. They have big fun all the time, that's all. It's good for them, it's not good for other people. No, for sure, I'm really glad that I chose the country. I had a really great time here. My father has a painting like hobby more. He was quite artistic person, and I used to painting also, but most with to do stuff with clay. So we had quite an argument, like you are going to be in an arting school, and I said, okay, I'm not going to be employed somewhere with this, you know that. And that's how I started the photography, because I have hopes. I had hopes, and it's really nice and creativity profession. Yeah, I have it like hobby photography now, and also my dream actually is to make the room with the red light, because I prefer analog photograph, and if I have more free time to be there all the time actually. I don't like to recommend like professional to somebody actually, but I can give advice to somebody if he wants to occupy with this, to be in this field. But photography depends also of what do you want to do. In any profession, in photography, if you want to be like in a war or journalist, reporter, photographer, or for weddings and all that, or just in newspapers of your country. But you have to be passionate with whatever you choose. So if you are passionate with that, yeah, I recommend it. It wasn't easy for me to be photographer like I wanted in Greece, and also it was like a deep desire to give again exams and get into the university. So if I couldn't find job, and I decided to give exams again, and I am in nursing department now. That's why. Yeah, I knew that it wasn't so easy, but it is quite harder than I ever thought. It's you need to have a lot of knowledge in a lot of fields. So yeah, that's why it's hard, and you need to combine all the time things on the job and to understand why. That's why it's hard. For sure, I have to be in Greece for the next 2 years, but I'm not sure about the future and what it's going to happen. In my mind, I have to move out from Greece, but if I have the chance to do something in the field that I want, I will probably stay.